Understanding residual sugars in food and beverages. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the concept of residual sugars. This term is often used in the context of food and drinks, especially in wines. Understanding this phrase is not only interesting but also helpful in knowing more about what we consume. So, let's dive in and learn about residual sugars together. Residual sugars refer to the amount of sugar remaining in a product, like wine, after fermentation. During fermentation, yeast converts sugars into alcohol, but this process doesn't always use up all the sugar. The sugar left behind is what we call residual sugars. It's important because it affects the taste and sweetness of the product. When it comes to wine, residual sugars can greatly influence its flavor profile. Wines with high levels of residual sugars are sweeter, whereas those with low levels are drier. This is why you'll hear terms like dry, semi-sweet, or sweet when describing wines. It's all about the residual sugar content. Measuring residual sugars is done in grams per liter, gram per liter. This measurement helps winemakers control the sweetness of the wine and helps consumers understand what to expect in terms of taste. Higher numbers mean a sweeter taste, while lower numbers indicate a drier wine. Understanding residual sugars is also important for health reasons. If you're monitoring your sugar intake, knowing the residual sugar content in your beverages, especially wines, can be very helpful. It's a good way to make informed choices about what you drink. And that's a wrap on residual sugars. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand more about what goes into your food and drinks. Remember, knowing these small details can make a big difference in your culinary experiences and health. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.